How to find for jobs in Jobstreet. If you want to find jobs in Jobstreet, it's actually quite very simple to do so. So what we do is we first launch the Jobstreet app, and this is the interface you will see after you log in, assuming you've already logged in. Now on the start your job search button, you simply go ahead and click the start button, and you just type in the keyword, which means the type of jobs that you want to look for right there. Once then you can choose a suburb or a city or a region that might be near you right there. So when you've done that, you can choose all work types. You can see monthly, you can see any classification, and seek the jobs by tapping on seek button. There's a different type of jobs available, and of course if you want to go ahead and then apply for them, you can select that job or save them for later. You can hit the quick apply button and you'll be able to upload a couple of your documents and type in your resume information and so on, and you'll be able to find those jobs. This way you can find jobs in JobSeek. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.